All right, with 4 days to go on the Hilux. Today's cleaning day. I think, well, nearly every day is cleaning day because it's really grubby under the hood of that car. But today, as you saw yesterday, got the timing cover on, got the head on. So today, need to clean up the distributor because it's all greasy. I'm gonna throw that in there, just make sure that everything's okay there. Tighten up the harmonic balancer. What else am I gonna do today? So they're gonna go on. The head bolts will go down with the rocker assembly as well. I probably won't get the tappets or and all that adjusted on the motor today. I don't really know what I'm doing there, so I want to do a little bit more research on that. I kind of just want to get more bolted onto the car, so who knows, the exhaust might go on today as well as the alternator and power steering setup. Hopefully that'll be the right hand side of the motor all tied up if I get that far, and then it'll be intake and carby and all that, which is on the other side, and all your EGR gear and vacuum lines and all the fun stuff on the other side, but I'll leave that for another day. We'll see how far I do get today. I figure the more that I talk about getting these things done, the higher possibility they will get done, and if they don't, well, I'm sorry. So let's get a move on. We'll get a start on that, and yeah, hopefully it doesn't get too hot today. Summer's just around the corner, starting to feel in it, and I have no shade. So let's work on that. Shed, need a shed. Ooh, look at that. Yeah. It's gonna be fun cleaning that. What else have I got to clean? Distributor. Pulley off of the water pump, which needs to go on, as well as the fan assembly, which reminds me. Alright, I think that's a good start. Oh, alright, let's see. Yay. Oh, that's where it is. Oh, there we go. There she is. Mark will be proud of me, covered up the motor. Yeah, well, yeah, why not? May as well clean it up. Alright. That'll do. Let's hope that that's getting some good footage. I'll leave this until last because, well, it's kind of electrical and I don't want to ruin anything. Scrubbing brush. Oh, alright. Bit of kerosene. Actually, let's use some degreaser for now. Really need a parts washer, but oh well. One day. Alright, that one's nice and clean. Anyway, I think you guys get the idea, so nice and clean, and yeah, I'll just leave that for now, the cleaning, and turn you guys back on when I go to bolt it all up. It was funny yesterday as I put the timing cover on, I got really nervous because once I put it on, I started questioning nearly every bolt that I put on. It's like, oh, did I tighten it? Did I not tighten it? Now I'm worried, but oh well. Leave this guy to dry. Alright, so we've got semi-clean parts, clean enough for what I want to do. So yeah, those guys semi-drying out here, ready to go onto the girl. Alright, so I didn't really film this part too well, but anyway, I thought I may as well throw a new filter on there whilst I was there. Drain the old oil, haven't filled it up just yet, I'll do that at the end. But as you can see over here, she was black. Dirty as. So that's what happens when you're 18, you own your first car and you don't service it. So yeah, now that we're there, I'm going to put the rocker assembly on. Something that I just watched in another YouTube video which, well, I've already kind of done it. I've thrown some assembly lube just on the top of the, what would you call that, on top of the valve there. I've run some over the, can't really see, some over the cam lobes as well, but I'll just run a little bit more, whoops, over the top anyway. And yeah, now I will torque down the head bolts. Alright, so first of all I'll throw this guy down, throw the rocker assembly down, and alright, head bolt. Well, let's just go. Gonna do these two first anyway. Alright. Camera. Alright, so I get these guys down, bit of a boring process, so might just leave it filming, and I guess I could go through the sequence of these guys as per my Bible or workshop manual. Six. Seven. 8 and 9. And 10. Oh, alright. Yeah. You guessed it. Oh man. You guessed it. Well, I've covered it all up now, but basically tightened him to spec, to torque, and the which is the timing sprocket bolt and the crankshaft bolt, and oh man, we'll go in the car for this one. So wanted to tighten those guys to spec. I got the cam shaft sprocket tightened to spec. When I did the crankshaft bolt, it made a couple of funny noises and then kind of locked up and won't basically the motor will only turn X amount clockwise, anti-clockwise, X amount clockwise until the actual nut either keeps tightening or doesn't tighten. So something's locked up in there. This is usually the point where I kind of rage, get angry, get over it, don't give it another shot, but I don't know what I'm gonna do. I want to keep going. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave it for today and talk to some friends, talk to some people, figure out the best plan of attack from here. I really don't want to pull the timing cover off again. I kind of feel, basically I put a USB camera down the spark plug holes, and it doesn't look like the valves are hitting the pistons or anything like that. I believe it's got something to do with the timing chain itself, like the timing chain's locked up or something like that. That's about the only thing I can really put it down to. Maybe I put the lower timing sprocket on incorrectly. I'm not too sure. If that's the case, then the cover will have to come off, I believe. I'm not too sure. I'm gonna talk to some people, sort something out, hopefully push forward and keep going. At the moment, I'm over it. I'm off it. The sun is smashing down, and I'm over it. So anyway, that's enough for today. Sorry for the negative ending. I just need to calm down. I've done this. I've filmed this outro in the heat of the moment, just to sort of, you know, I'm off it. I'm over it. Yeah. So once again, sorry for being negative, but hey, we'll move forward. Keep pushing forward, and yeah, please like, subscribe, and let's see. Oh, let's hope I didn't spend all this money and damage something. That's number one. And then, yeah, we'll see where we go from here. Anyway, until next time, guys, thanks for watching.